common problem with an instrument in Porsche card verification. Then let's turn on the power and check the current. It's only 13 volts. Okay, 0.133 milliseconds. Most of this current is that our integrated circuit is not working. Then the program doesn't run. Another one is that our boost will not. These things didn't work, so the current is only a little over 100. Normal. This current should be able to run about 1 to 2 amperes on the screen. Now let's do a disassemble. Disassemble. Understood. The maintenance ideas for this instrument. Give that to us. Land Rovers is the same. First of all, in the case of this current, let's test our first main control crystal oscillator. And is there a job? If there is no job available, then let's look for our power supply. Now let's test it. Now take a look at the oscilloscope. If we test it, we'll find out. This one, Jin Zhen. This gold vibration does not generate an oscillating frequency. Then our master integrated circuit didn't work either. Didn't work. And now we come to the conclusion of a thought for a repair. Okay, the power integrated circuit is 5 volts. It's powered by 12 volts. Output of 5 volts. If it's 5 volts and it goes through one of our storage diodes, then it passes through an inductor. Then it passes through our filtering capacitor. Then provide us with a 5 volt power supply directly to this CPU. And then this group. This group is powered by us. If it's normal, the power supply is 0.3.3 volts. Is this 9-digit normal? 0.3.3 volts. 0.3.3 volts to with our virtual diode to our pole. After the pole, then through the filter capacitor, through this blatant obstruction, then through filtering. After filtering, then it goes directly to us. This electric integrated circuit is horn number 1. At present, if we were to carve, it would be this cable has no output. 0.3.3 volts. If we conduct another test, then discovering the 9th horn of this integrated circuit, it doesn't have a power input. This power input is not available. And then, but this integrated circuit, if this integrated circuit with normal 5V output, it has a 12 volt power supply, 0.12 volt power supply. So for this integrated circuit, if we visually measure, it is also less power. Then we pass this through our appearance. If you use the on-off file to conduct a test, we'll find, if it comes to the power supply of this integrated circuit, it directly leads to us. Connect to our integrated circuit. This integrated circuit is equipped with power output driver, then a driver integrated circuit that can simultaneously drive LED lights. It also goes via SSP at total output. Then we test it with a test wave, the waveform of the iOS bus, and then T here is no output, 0.393 volts, no output. Then we try now replace this integrated circuit. After replacement, then we will conduct another test. Look at this 0.3.3V power supply. See if it's normal. This horn 9 is a normal one, 0.3.3 volts currently not available. And now let's make a replacement. Now our integrated circuit has been replaced. After replacement, then we'll power it up again to try. Did you see? Now the current can directly reach around 1 ampere, then around 900. And now we're going to run a test. What will you find if you test it? Our horn is a horn. This horn is currently under review. 0.3.3V input, right? Then the output is 3 volts. The way we repaired the Rhodes instruments is the same as before. Then this point, this inductance, it currently also has 0.3.3 volts. The 9 ohms of the integrated circuit, it also has 0.3.3 volts. 0.3.3 volts. Now let's use wave testing to test the integrated circuit. Pull corner and communication corner. Add the answer to it. After 3 good, and horn 2 is a clock meter angle. And if you look at the angle signal from the clock, it's right here. It hasn't changed much, but you can see the waveform. Then we will install this instrument. Now after installation, then test it out. See if it's normal. Be sure to get close before testing. Turn off the battery of the power supply after closing. Then we put the screen on. If you want to fix something, you need a certain plan. If there is no plan, if you repair it blindly, you don't know what the problem is. So the plan is the most important, where we will display this plug. Plug it in. After plugging it in, the current will run to the left of these 2 wires. Now let's take a look at our screen. If this doesn't work now, the power flow is okay. And then fix it for old time. Thank you very much.